How to add sound on photo in YT Create application. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add sound on photos in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Open the YT Create application. Now you can see I have this project and you can see I have uploaded up a photo. Now if I wanted to add the sound on this photo, I can just simply type right here on the sound. So just tap right here on sound, and now you can select the sound from there. And you can see this sound is imported.